Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing to share with you, and this is a Chanel unboxing from 22S, the current collection. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna get right into the unboxing. This is actually a true unboxing. This item just arrived today. I have not seen it in person. It was ordered by phone, so I'm really excited to unbox it with you. So here is my receipt. I will share the pricing information after I unbox it. It's the camellia. Okay, so it is a large box. Okay, here's the dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited to see this in person. To reveal, I'm sure you can guess what it is now that you've seen a little bit of it. Oh, it's really cute. So here is the Deauville tote, and this is the new small size with the top handles. So let me just open this so you can see. So the top handles are new on this size. I'll show you the top handles there. And this, I believe this color is called the beige and white, although it looks more, this looks more sort of cream, and this, I guess it's sort of a taupey beige. It's really, really pretty. This color combination is really nice for summer, and I think this is light gold hardware. So previously this size only came with the shoulder straps. Here, let me, oh, they're all wrapped up. That's why they're not coming out completely. So there's a couple differences. So it comes with the top handles as well as the shoulder straps. And then it also comes with a really cute little pouch. Let's see here. So that's the pouch, and it clips on to this, kind of like the Neverfull. And the interior has a zipped pocket. This one was made in Italy. Really cute detail on the zipper pull. So I do have a small size without the top handles. So let me just show you here. It'll be hard to get them both in the shot, but. So here is my small that just has the shoulder straps. This was from I want to say 19B. If I'm remembering correctly, I think it was 19B. So it just has the shoulder straps, and I do like it, but I think I'm going to get more use out of this one because it has the top handles. It just makes it a lot more versatile to use. Yeah, it's really cute. I'm so happy with it. I think this will be a really cute bag for spring and summer, especially because of the coloring, although this could be worn year-round. It's very neutral. But yeah, I think it's called, let me look at my receipt here. Yeah, so it is the beige white. I know it comes in a few colors in this size with this new size with the top handles. I think it comes also in beige and black, I believe, and I believe it comes in a blue, a beige, just a solid beige, and a pink. I'm not sure about any other colors, but there's definitely a few options. So this one, I think the price has definitely gone up like everything else, because I remember my one from 19B being a lot less expensive, but this one was $4,550 plus tax Canadian dollars. So that is, yeah, my new addition. I really feel like this is going to be more useful for me than the one I have without the top handles. I admit I don't use it that often. So yeah, I will maybe try to do a comparison of the two, a quick video comparison of the two once I've used this a little bit and can give more feedback on it. But I just, judging from the fact that it has the top handles, I really think that I will use it quite a bit. And the larger ones have always come with top handles, but they are really big, and I feel like they are more of sort of a travel bag. And I mean, this could be used for travel too, but this is more of like an everyday kind of size, which is what I was looking for. So anyway, that is it for this unboxing. I need to keep it quick. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much again, and have a great day.